Our Gatorpit pellet cooker, 20-inch diameter, 1/4-inch wall by 24 in the main chamber, is perfect for your apartment complex. And here it is on the balcony of an apartment. You get your 35-pound capacity hopper, your drop-down stainless steel front shelf, your digital PID controller, your meat probe thermometer plugs in there, goes through there, stick it in your meat. You got your birdhouse stack. You got your ball valve drain, your heavy-duty commercial all-weather casters, your foot brakes, stainless steel top on your hopper. Inside here, you've got your auger, and then we are using the Pellet Pro hoppers for our Gatorpit pellet cookers. Very nice. Again, this is sitting on the back of an apartment complex or an apartment. Perfect on the balcony, right size, drop down shelf is perfect back here to open up this area right here. When you're cooking, open that shelf up if you need it. This is a great pellet cooker for anybody, one, that doesn't need to cook a whole lot at one time. All right. 2, for confined spaces or areas where you don't have a whole lot of room. But look at that. You can get certainly get a brisket. Get a brisket here, a couple of pork butts, a brisket, a rack of ribs or a couple of rack of ribs up top, some sausage, some chicken quarters or pieces, tri-tip. I mean, you can get a lot of food in this 20 deep by 24 long. Again, you can obviously or easily get a brisket here. You can get a pork butt and another pork butt, all right, or some chicken quarters or halves there. You've got the top rack here for other cuts of meat. Split, removable. You can take this half out, or you can move it back like that. And then, of course, down below you've got your grease pans and your heat shields and all that down there. Again, another great design. Great quality pellet cooker by Gatorpit, 1/4-inch thick steel. It rolls extremely easy, but yet it's still heavy duty. It took 4 grown men to get this out of the back of a pickup truck. I was one of the 4 grown men. This is not a light cooker by no means. All right, it took 4 guys, 4 grown adults to get this out of the back of a pickup truck. It is not light. Heavy duty construction, 1/4-inch thick steel, stainless steel handles, tell true gauge, digital PID controller. All right, call Gatorpit. Talk to you later. See ya, Rich Robin.